Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Turbo coin or on your Metamask. So first step, log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Once there, make sure you simply copy its contract address. It's on the Ethereum network, so make sure you do have Ethereum on your Metamask. Minimize and open up Metamask. Once you've opened up Metamask, make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet by simply clicking the icon at the top of the screen that says Ethereum main network. Click on Ethereum main network. Scroll down, click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the token address you just copied, paste, and the token symbol and its decimal are going to be shown. Once that's done, all you need to do is simply click on import. And once that's done, your next step would be then to use the browser. So by simply using the browser section, which is here, click on this browser section. Simply connect your wallet by using this wallet connect icon and simply connect your wallet. So once you're done with that, click on select token and simply paste the contract address we just copied. So once you've pasted it, press and hold, click on paste, click on Turbo, click on I understand. Now we're going to be using 0.005 of the Ethereum, which is $9.44. So it's going to be fetching the best price. As you can see, we're paying a gas fee of $4.54 for 774,000 of the Turbo. And in order to avoid high gas fees such as this, you simply minimize and open up your OKX mobile. And once you're on OKX mobile, make sure you use our link in the description of the video. If you do not possess an account, use our link so you stand a chance to win up to $10,000 worth of mystery boxes and gifts just by using our link alone. Simply click on this trade icon and make sure you've been able to deposit. If you've not deposited, click on this deposit icon here and simply deposit USDT or any cryptocurrency asset, LTC, BTC, ETC, ETH, AVE, any cryptocurrency asset you have, and use this icon on the top left and simply convert. So by clicking on convert, you're going to be able to convert your token, which is the Ethereum, let's say Ethereum, into some USDT, okay, USDT. So you just simply put in that 0.005 and you simply swap your Ethereum here into USDT. So once you're done, click on this trade and click on core and simply search for Turbo. Click on Turbo USDT and in the space for USDT put 3. As you can see, we're getting 102,000 instead of 47K for the $9. So from there, you click on buy, set your take profit, set your stop loss, and click on confirm. And then head over to the assets menu where you simply click on funding, click on withdraw, type in the Turbo, click on Turbo, click on on-chain withdrawal, enter the address, which is going to be your Metamask address, enter your Metamask address, and then simply select the network, which is the ERC20. So select ERC20 and then proceed to enter the amount of Turbo. So 102,000 Turbo, and we're leaving with a good amount. So once you've pasted your address and you've withdrawn, the token would then be deposited directly in your MetaMask here. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy the Turbo coin on MetaMask, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.